Good morning, guys, and today is 31st December 2020, and welcome once again to our channel called Knowledge Hub. And we are proceeding ahead with our today's GK question, or the latest GK or the current GK, what new things are coming up in the field of GK. So we are dealing with them. Let's begin our day. All right, guys. So today is the last day of your 2020. Oh, I hope and I pray to the God that this next year will bring a lot of happiness in your life to all of you. Okay, let's begin with our chapter here. Today's topic of discussions. Okay, the first we have the Prime Minister Modi inaugurated 351 long new Bahupura and New Khurja stretch of Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor. Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor, full form is short form of EDFC. Okay, uh, now this is a new freight core. Okay, track has been started. Okay, which is around 351 kilometers, started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a place called Bahupur, in New Khurja. Okay, this is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, guys. Okay, let's see what it says further. The 351 kilometers long stretch of ETFC and Operational Control Center OCC was inaugurated at Prayagraj. Data technology used in OCC has been prepared in India. The 1856 kilometer eastern DFC starts at Sonwal, Ludhiana in Punjab and ends at Dukhani in West Bengal. Okay, the total length of DFC is 3306 root kilometer. Okay, guys. The second slide is about a pollinatory park. Okay, forest research range Haldwani. Okay, this is India's first pollinatory park opens in Uttarakhand. Okay, will support over 40 key species. Okay, inaugurated by Peter Samtek. The park spread over 4 acres in Haldwani. Okay, this is the area of it. That is 4 acres of the land inaugurated by Peter Samtek. It's in Haldwani, Nainital district. Okay, and what is the aim of this project? It aims to conserve the various pollinatory species, create awareness, and promote the research. Okay, endemic the species of honeybee, Apsicerana indica, is also rare in the park. Okay, and pollinators impact 35% of the global agriculture land. Okay, so next third one is our Santur Maestro Pandit Satish Vyas confirmed Tansen Samman at the World Music Festival Tansen Samaro. 96th Tansen Music Festival began in Gwalior. Okay, you should know that which place it is held at, Gwalior, and will conclude it at concluded means it's going to end. The last one we had Behat village on December 30. Okay, so the prestigious Tansen Samman. Okay, okay, Pandit Vyas was conferred upon the prestigious Tansen Samman. Okay, Bhopal-based institution Abhinav Kala Prasad was honored with the Raja Man Singh Tomar Award. Okay, and who has been given the Raja Man Singh Tomar? That is a Bhopal-based institution. That his name is called Abhinav Kala Prasad. Okay, was honored with Raja Man Singh Tomar Award. Okay, guys, and this Tansen, the festive Tansen was, who was the Tansen? Tansen was actually one of the 9 gems of in Akbar Court. Okay. Next one is about Indian National Center for Oceanic Information Services, INCOIS. Okay, launches the Digital Ocean. Okay, it will be a one-step solution for all the ocean data-related needs, and is expected to bring a sea changes in how the oceanographic data is served. Okay, it will play a central role in sustainable management of the oceans and expanding the India's Blue Economy Initiative. INCIOS established in 2007. Okay, location is Hyderabad. Okay, next slide is about the French fashion designer Pierre Cardin passes away. Okay, hailed from avant-garde style. Okay, this may be a kind of a new term for you guys, avant-garde. Okay, so who is the avant-garde? Avant-garde, I tell you that any person or the people who invent or promote the new techniques or the concept, especially in art, is called. Okay, so he was famous for this thing. Okay, Cardin sets up his own fashion label in 1950. In 1959, he created one of the first ready-to-wear collection for women. He created the legendary bubble dress. His space age collection remains a landmark in the fashion history. First designer to sell the clothes collection in department stores. Next one is Harshvardhan opens the new Meteorological Department Center at Leh, Ladakh, located at a height of around almost your 3,500 meters. Meteorological centers, okay, which is located at your Leh, will be the highest. Okay, it will be the highest meteorological center in India now. It will cater to the various kind of weather and the climatic needs and people and administration of Ladakh. Dr. Harshvardhan is a Union Minister of Earth and Science. This is important, guys. Okay, you should know. Okay, next we have ICICI Bank buys 9.09% stake in My Classboard Education Solution Private Limited for 4.5 crore. Okay, M MESPL. Okay, that's MESPL. Okay, this thing stands for My Classboard Educational Solution Private Limited is the full form of this. Okay, this offers an online school management platform. Okay, and what it does, it offers an online school management program platform. The post investment ICICI Bank will hold 9.09% stake in this. Okay, through acquisition of 100 equity shares and 1,04,890 cumulative compulsorily convertible preferential shares on fully diluted basis. Okay, Ajay Shukmaru, founder and CEO of My Classroom. This name you need to remember. Okay, Ajay. Okay, next we have action agenda for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, that is called your triple AN. Okay, so you should remember the name action agenda on Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, this report prepared by TIFAC released by Dr. Harshvardhan. Okay, aim of the action report is to create a sense of scientific social responsibility and lay down imperative. Okay, this is the word I'm giving you. Okay, now what is imperative? Imperative means essential. It's an adjective, something which is important. Okay, so it laid down an imperative for the future of technology in India. The report is follow up of TIFC's white paper on focused intervention for Make in India post COVID-19. Okay, did you know TIFAC is an autonomous organization? Autonomous means self-developed. Okay, organization set up in the 1988 under DST. Okay, here next we have the veteran broadcaster Indira Joseph Venure. Okay, Indira Joseph Venure. She is a veteran broadcaster. She passes away at the age of 94. Indira Joseph Venure was a renowned, famous broadcaster of All India Radio, veteran, and first English news announcer of Travancore Radio. Okay, when its English service began in 1949, she was the wife of well-known literary scholar and art critic, the late E.M.G. Venure. Okay, did you know the first news bulletin in India went on air in 1927? Okay, next one is our Hyderabad-based space tech starts up Skyrocket Aerospace successfully test via the solid propulsion rocket stage Kalam 5. Okay, this the name has been given to it as a Kalam 5. The Kalam 5 is a demonstrator solid rocket. Okay, the propulsions stage with exactly the same propellant material and interface as the three solid propulsion stages of the Vikram 1 launches vehicle, okay, which is expected to be launched in December 2021. Skyrocket founder is Pawan Kumar uh, Chandan and Nagabharta Dakha. Okay, guys, so this is all about the today's GK. Okay, and hope I will see you soon in the next video. Meanwhile, keep preparing and enjoy your time. Okay, in some part of India, night curfew has been imposed so that the people cannot gather for the New Year celebration, etc. So, in case if you guys are going, so please see that you are taking proper precaution for that. Thank you very much and good luck.